How to increase RAM on PC or laptop computer. If your system RAM is very low, like 4 gig, 8 gig, your computer might be working slowly or lagging. I open multiple windows or multiple programs, but if you're able to increase the RAM on your PC, your computer will work perfectly. That is what we want to handle in this video. So before we move on, guys, if you are new to this channel, if you've not subscribed, please subscribe. Don't forget to like and give us your comment in the comment section. So let's move on. Come to this search bar on your device, type in about. Now click on this about your PC button. Once you click on your about your PC button, you have yourself at this place. Then take a look at the RAM on my device, 16 gig RAM. So this has to do with your device, either 4 gig RAM, 8 gig RAM, 16 gig RAM, 32 gig RAM, on and on like that. Now that I've checked the RAM of your device, click on this button that says Advanced System Settings. Click on it. Once you click on Advanced System Settings, you have yourself at this place. Make sure you are under Advanced. Under Advanced, under Performance, click on this button. What are you going to do? You're going to it's going to effect on your visual effect, processor scheduling, and memory usage and virtual memory. So click on these settings. Once you click on these settings, you have yourself at this place. Then under Advanced again, under here, click on Advanced button. Once you have click on Advanced button, you have yourself at this place. You can see. Now come to this place where you say virtual memory. A paging file is an area of the hard disk that Windows use as if it were RAM. So now to get this done, click on this change button. Now that click on this change button, make sure you uncheck this one, this automatically manage paging file size in all drives. So check it. Come to customize or custom, click on it. Once you click on custom, then to this button open up. Once you click on it, you can see that once you click on the custom button here, these two buttons open up. Now that the two buttons has opened up, I've prepared a chart. Here is what you need to take a look at. Now you can see that the initial size RAM is 1.5, while the maximum size RAM is 3.0. You have it here, guys, initial size RAM and maximum size RAM. Now this has to do with the kind of RAM you have on your device. On my device, I'm having 16 gig RAM. Where is this? Where I'm going to now bring out your calculator. Now under the calculator, we're going to multiply 16 multiplied by 1024 multiplied by 1.5. So let's take it together. 16 times 1024 times 1.5 is equal to, so we're having 24,576. So enter that one here, 24,576. Now let's go to maximum. Now maximum, we are under maximum. I'm still working on 16 gig RAM. So let's close this. So now we are working on the maximum, which is 16 times 1024 times 3 this time around. Click on this. So we are getting 49,152. Enter 49,152 here. Now click on this. So you cannot close this one. Now click on this set button. Click on OK. Click on OK. Now click on OK here again. Close this one. Now restart your system. This will increase the RAM of your device, thereby improving the rate at which your system will operate. Now you can now open multiple software, multiple page, multiple windows on your device. When whatever you're doing on your device, you're going to enjoy more tremendous work on your device. That's all, guys. If you're able to do this, let me know in the comment section. And if it have effect in your device, also let me know in the comment section. So see you soon, guys, on my next video.